In summary, what we learned in this module are, first of all, that installing Oracle database under Windows is pretty straightforward. I'm not going to say easy. That's an arrogant thing for an instructor to say, because what's easy for me as an experienced DBA may not be easy or intuitive at all for you, my student. But compared to installing Oracle under other systems, in particular Linux, you're going to see that actually in the next module in which we do an installation under Linux. There's much more work that's done for us automatically when we're using Windows. I want you to keep in mind the principles of least privilege and least service. Those are IT security principles that definitely interweave what we're doing here with Oracle database installation, regardless of the operating system. Least privilege means we don't want any account, user account or service account, to have more privilege than it needs. So your Oracle service account should not be an administrator. Least service means if there's a capability or feature that you don't need, don't install it. Because if a service is simply not present on an Oracle server, then it's impossible for a malicious user to attack or attempt to abuse that service. Finally, be careful of defaults. I heard a technology speaker talk about a spousal installation of database software, and he was making a joke, of course. By spousal installation, he meant next, 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 or yes, 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 yes. Being a married guy myself, I can relate to the yes, dear, honey-do list kind of thing. But with Oracle, there's a serious point. We don't just want to click next, next, next. We need to understand the ramifications of every choice we make. Although we can come in after the fact and make any change we want, it's a heck of a lot easier to get things right the first time. With that, I thank you for participating. I look forward to teaching you how to install Oracle under Linux in the next module.